I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon in the 60s to the low 70s, low pressure and a cold front continue to track to the southeast with scattered rain, possibly isolated thunderstorms through this evening. Any rain amounts should range from a trace to a tenth of an inch. Behind the front, tomorrow staying mild with highs in the low to mid 60s. Friday, our warmest with highs that are 20 to 25 degrees warmer than normal in the mid 60s to the low 70s. Fire concerns continue to be elevated to near critical all the way through Friday. A cold front lowers most of our highs on Saturday to the upper 40s to the mid 50s, while northwest Kansas can expect highs closer to 60. With low pressure moving across the southern plains, off and on snow is possible Saturday night into Tuesday, possibly mixed with rain by Tuesday. Accumulations, if any, are likely to be light. Highs Sunday bottom out mostly in the mid 30s to the mid 40s, but far northwest Kansas is milder with highs in the upper 40s to the mid 50s. A warming trend begins with highs Monday into the 40s and the mid to upper 50s on Tuesday. The long-term forecast shows a very high likelihood of warmer than normal temperatures Tuesday through March 10th for Nebraska, Kansas, and much of the U.S. By March 10th in central Nebraska, daytime highs are typically in the upper 40s with average overnight lows in the mid-20s. Above normal precipitation continues to be predicted for Nebraska and Kansas Tuesday through March 10th. Key weather factors driving the markets include multiple chances of precipitation for the U.S., especially early next month, and concerns for drier weather across Argentina and southern Brazil. Fast-moving, loosely organized disturbances track across the U.S. the next 5 days. The heaviest precipitation, locally 1 to 2 inches or more, should fall in the southeast, mainly this late day through Friday. Dry weather prevails the next 5 days from Southern California to the central and southern plains. Record warm highs accompany the dry weather with temperatures routinely topping 90 in southern Texas and the desert southwest. A plume of Pacific moisture races eastward. That sparks wintry precipitation by Sunday from the central plains into the Midwest. A larger storm is possible across the U.S. the mid to late part of next week, with another the following weekend. For the central and southern plains, precipitation in the middle of next week could be widespread. Drought is a big problem across Nebraska, Oklahoma, and Texas, and it may start to develop in Kansas. In Argentina, spotty rain is expected to continue into next month, which fails to end the drought in any significant way and resumes the trend towards lower crop ratings for corn and soybeans. Across Brazil, recent widespread heavy rain was a benefit for newly planted second crop corn. As the rains move north out of southern Brazil, concerns for the second crop corn are increasing since the rains won't be consistent and heavy, which is needed the next 2 months for pollination and filling. The Black Sea region continues with scattered rain the next day or two, where precipitation has been more consistent but not heavy. Soil moisture and snow cover are building in some areas of the Black Sea region, which favors winter wheat when it comes out of dormancy. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.